Tower Golf Whiskey Mike Bravo ready for takeoff 26.
Whiskey Mike Bravo, tower climb runway heading 5,500, all return for your airborne, clear takeoff runway 26.
Clear takeoff 26, check all Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Yankee Zulu Alpha downwind 26 for touch and go.
Yankee Zulu Alpha number 2, follow 172, turning a mile and a quarter final.
The traffic number 2, Yankee Zulu Alpha.
33 cross checks.
Okay.
Okay, roll on. Takeoff.
Sorry.
No worries.
It's a very light crosswind. Yeah. This is gonna come off very gradually.
Bus set, airspeed building. 50.
Check.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Vector uniform, traffic departing ahead will be leaving the circuit to the north, clear touch and go runway 26. Vector uniform. Kill Mike Hotel confirmed through 5,100. Kill Mike Hotel, say again. Mike Hotel confirmed through 5,200. 5,200. Mike Hotel, contact Calgary Terminal 128.7. Contact Hotel 128.7. Whiskey Mike Bravo, left turn out for Elbow Springs, climb to 5-5.
Left Elbow Springs 55, Whiskey Mike Bravo. Clear on the left.
Delta Juliet, your number 2, follow 172, base about the turn final, and stay again the exercise.
Beautiful.
Number 2, look at the traffic, Delta Juliet.
Wow, it's nice and warm up here, eh?
Oh yeah.
Traffic, Delta Juliet.
Delta Juliet, Roger, and is it for touch and go stop?
Oh, yeah, that one has you right in it. Wow, that's gorgeous.
Yankee Zulu Alpha, clear touch and go runway 26.
Right into the sunrise.
Elbow Springs is kind of a little bit to the right, I think. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna set us up for the... I'm thinking 3-5 left, but I'm not sure. So, oops. Okay. Got 11-5, and of course it's 3-4-5.